How to unmute notes on Instagram iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unmute notes on Instagram iPhone. First, open the Instagram app. Here, go to the direct messages. You can see the notes right above your messages. Tap the note that you want to mute and select the option of Mute Notes. Confirm to mute notes. Now go back and tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Tap on Menu. Tap on Settings. Go to Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Muted Accounts. Here you'll find the people that are muted. Tap on Unmute right next to their profile. Now turn the toggle off for Mute Notes. Their notes have been unmuted. Go back to the notes and you'll find their notes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.